Yo, welcome to another video. So today I'm just going to show you guys the type of supplies that I have bought in order for me to start properly with this journey. The journey where I'm learning how to tattoo properly, how to become a tattoo artist. So I'm just sharing my videos, my process and everything. This is the tattoo machine that I have bought. It's injector flight nano. Okay, I've done some research before purchasing it. Okay, it did not come with all the cams that you see with in the little bags on my hands right now. So I had to purchase those bags, those little cams separately. The cams are like different stroke. I cannot really explain everything in just like this single video. You might have to do research on your own if you're interested about like learning those things as well. But yeah, the video will be too long. But like technically, those cams is just like with one machine. You technically it looks like you have different. You can build different machines with just one machine you bought. So on average, I think like I'm around like $600-700 so far. So the tattoo machine itself is like $500. This one as well is like around like 100 or $70. I'm not so sure. But yeah, I'm actually between $600 to $700 right now, and yeah, the tattoo machine came with like a standard cam, which was like 3.2. I had to purchase like like 3 point something until like 4.0. The 4.0 is like it's best for when you're doing line work and stuff like that, for outlining your tattoos and stuff. So I had to purchase it. And so with these tattoo machines, like I have like three different tattoo machines at once. But if you wanna switch up like to like let's say you wanna switch up from liner to shader, you have to switch the cams as well. Like the cams are the ones like little things on the top with the numbers. Each number is like it's for something specific, but the standard one is like 3.2. This is what it comes with. So technically I have right now I have like a one tattoo machine, but that can do all. The reason why I'm starting with a professional machine is because later on, when I wanna, tattoo myself, like practice on human skin, I don't have to worry about purchasing, other tattoo machines because I have this one. It's professional use, and I'm just practicing with it. I don't have to worry about buying other tattoo machines on the long one. So this is the thermal printer that I purchased. This one I purchased it from Amazon. This one came with a couple of printer papers, okay, thermal papers. Those I'm not gonna use it. I'm not gonna be able to start with on human skin yet. So these are perfect for me to do the projects that I'm working on right now, which is like practicing on synthetic skin. So I've I've just realized that everything when it comes to tattooing, if you want to go the right way, they're not cheap. They're not really cheap. So this one works pretty well. This is the way you use it, okay, in order for you to print the papers and everything. So if some of you might be interested in like do a tutorial about it, I'm probably gonna do it in the future. But so far, like this is the way. It's nothing complicated. You could do like a quick research about it, how to use it and everything. That's what I did because I didn't know anything about it. So yeah, and then after that, this is how I print. All my this is how I'm gonna print all my practicing like stencils. This is how it's going to be. So far so good, and it's not the best thermal printer, but it's gonna get the job done for the level I'm at right now. So I don't have to worry about anything for now. Now this is the not the RCA, but actually this is the power supply. The power supply will be like supplying you like voltage to your your tattoo machine. So you would have depending on what type of tattoo machine you have. So this one you can either buy like a battery wireless battery to connect to it, or you could go the traditional way, which is you will need like you will need like a power supply, like the one that just I'm mounting right now, and you will need like RCA cable. RCA cable just goes straight to the power supply, and then on top of the uh adapter for the tattoo machine, and then from there you can like switch gear. You can like lower your gears, like increase the speed and blah blah blah. So this is the way. So I'm just turning it on right now to see how it feels, how it runs and stuff like that, and then later on so I could use it properly. So yeah, as for needle cartridges, this is the brand that I'm using. It calls Mast Pro. Okay, I bought most of these things from Amazon. Besides, the tattoo machine, and also the disposable grip that you're seeing that I'm putting on the tattoo machine right now. I bought it from another website, uh, which is a reliable website where like professional tattoo artists get supplies from. I bought a bunch of stuff, from Amazon and also from other sources. Uh, so yeah, uh, the Mass Pro brand is like cheap in a way comparing to like the big brands on the market. And also, this is the ink brand that I'm using, calls Dynamic. I bought the ink from Amazon as well, which means I will not be able to use any of those purchases that I've done on Amazon on human skin. So I won't be able to put any of those things on human skins. If I have to, I would have to purchase from a reliable website where they're selling stuff for professional artists, just like I did when I was purchasing the tattoo machine. So yeah, technically this is how I began the journey. I'm always open for advice. I'm always open, for constructive criticism. So yeah, guys, I'm trying to get used to the machine. Trying to figure out the proper way, to mounting it, everything, handle it, carry it, and blah blah blah. So yeah, wish me luck, and yeah, I'll be posting more of these videos in the future. And yeah, this is it for now.